Okay, here's a radio. This is the master switch for the overhead warning lights. This is the manual switch. On these Visions, you got electric air horn when you got these little storage compartments. This is the air horn, because with this you're not allowed to have the pole thing. These are the dome lights, fans, mirror heater, destination sign, noise suppression. This cancels all the noisy stuff out, like your heaters and stuff. This is all the heaters. This is, well, I'm really organized. This is the door switch. That's the driver's dome. Over here you have your hazard lights, your panel dimmer, your headlights. I think it might start beeping at me. Nope. Yeah, it did. It turned on the little thing. That's the color it lights up when the headlights are on. Here's the thing for the air conditioner. This is the emergency release for the door. Parking brake. High idle. Oh my god, it's on. Turn that off. This is a shifter, of course. Then this is drive, overdrive, and when we're in town, we drive with non-overdrive, just regular overdrive. So, nice bus. This is an 09 Vision.